Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been more than a year that I'm getting back to a long form of video with a very favorite and most requested and a topic called as food blogging, or in general how to become a content creator. If at all you guys don't know, मैंने अपना content creation का journey food blogging से start किया था. I was a food blogger for 2 to 3 years during my college times, and I used to get good number of collaborations, but I never used to get paid, to be very honest, because मेरा paid वाला phase तक I was not a food blogger because pandemic hit, and due to which first was the restaurants which was getting hampered, and due to which I had to quit my food blogging because my entire blogging journey was only dependent on food blogging, only on visiting restaurants, tasting their food, recommending, giving reviews and everything. So yes, first and the foremost is, if at all you are looking for to become a content creator, I would highly recommend कि आप एक ही niche मत पकड़ो. To be very honest, मुझे खुद को पता है कि मैंने बहुत सारे वीडियोस में यही बोला है कि डिफाइन योर नीश, या फिर एक ही नीश पे अपना पेज बनाओ, एक ही नीश के हिसाब से जाओ एंड एवरीथिंग. बट आई एम टेलिंग यू, डू नॉट फॉलो अ स्पेसिफिक नीश, बिकॉज व्हेन यू विल फॉलो अ स्पेसिफिक नीश आप बहुत नैरो डाउन हो जाओगे. आपको नहीं पता चलेगा कि विच इज राइट, विच इज रॉन्ग, बिकॉज टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, till now date I am figuring out how to create a content or how to be a successful content creator. So yes, gone are the days जहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही कैटेगरी के इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना है and everything, because you need to become a lifestyle influencer, to be very honest, because you cannot cater yourself, you cannot give a tag to yourself saying that you are a beauty influencer, you are a travel influencer, you are a fashion influencer, or you are an influencer who love tasting food or getting collaboration and doing PR activities in food blogging itself. Because when you are saying कि आप एक food blogger हो, आपको कोई और collaborations नहीं मिलेंगे, to be very honest. आपको beauty के नहीं मिलेंगे, आपको फैशन के नहीं मिलेंगे, आपको लाइफस्टाइल के नहीं मिलेंगे, इफ एट ऑल यू आर ओनली क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट ऑन फूड ब्लॉगिंग, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. बट बिकॉज द थिंग इज, when you are visiting on restaurants, when you are reviewing foods in restaurants and everything, you are not getting paid. But जब आपका पेड वाला स्टफ स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, आपको इतना बेनिफिट नहीं होगा, बिकॉज यू आर जस्ट अ फूड ब्लॉगर. यू आर जस्ट गोइंग देयर टू टेस्ट देयर फूड एंड गिविंग रिव्यूज ऑन Instagram or putting on YouTube or giving reviews on few of the other platforms, and that is really cheap. Like you will be getting paid 1,500, that's it. हार्ड टू हार्ड आपको 5,000 मिल जाएगा if at all you have developed your page into that level कि okay, you are getting collaborations, you are also doing PR, you are also doing barter collaborations, barter post on your platform, and you have a good number of followers. But it will take years for it, to be very honest, because मुझे एक चीज तो बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आया था कि being and doing only food blogging will not give me enough amount of followers or enough amount of revenue. And to be very honest, you have to give your entire time over there. Same जैसे आप एक फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर के लिए करोगे, फैशन कंटेंट क्रिएट करते टाइम करोगे, या फिर लाइफस्टाइल कंटेंट क्रिएट करते टाइम करोगे. Lately I have understood this कि if at all you want to become a content creator, any specific, any niche, or if at all you are like okay, मुझे सिर्फ एक ही का niche पकड़ के चलना है and everything, that's totally up to you. But I would say that start recording videos, start putting videos, don't think much, because if at all you won't do it now, in the coming 10 years you'll again regret yourself. To be very honest, I regret कि मुझे शायद से बहुत पहले से perfect होना चाहिए था, या फिर मुझे इतना amount of confidence होना चाहिए था कि I can talk freely without thinking and everything. But no, I wasn't. If at all I have seen my first video, and if at all you guys, any of you guys have seen my first video, then आपको समझा रहेगा कि I was fumbling a lot. Like when you are into vlogging or when you are into content creation journey, you need to be confident, and वो confidence तभी आता है जब आपका 100,000 videos flop हो जाते हैं. When you are doing shit, you know how that shit will taste, and you know that what sugar will taste, how a jaggery will taste and everything. Like